Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show you how to clear search history on YouTube, so let's start. First open your YouTube app. I will go on search to show you how many searches I have. Now you need to tap on this little icon of your profile. After that, click on Settings. Because we don't have Clear All History field, we need to click on Manage All History. Now we are come on YouTube history. We can delete one by one our search history, just tap on this. And delete. Also you can delete history of today, history of custom range and history of all time. I will delete of all time. You tap what you want. You can see you all history is deleted, and you are done. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.